One of the biggest challenges in the fight against opioid abuse is getting addicts into treatment.
And now Virginia Beach is turning to peer recovery coaches who will encourage users to get help straight from the emergency room. 10 on your side, Joe Fisher is here now. And Joe, this really all comes down to saving lives.
Laura and Tom, experts say addicts who seek help have a 60% shot at getting and staying clean. Now, sometimes it takes talking to someone who has lived through the same experience, the same struggles. That's where these peer recovery coaches step in to give addicts advice right after hitting rock bottom.
It's out now.
They're rushed to the hospital every day.
Everybody knows what's going on.
Addicts hooked on drugs.
And thinking about the ones we don't know about.
Drugs that almost killed them.
The hopelessness is so overwhelming.
For Charles DeLoach,
It was all about fun.
it was crack cocaine.
I turned into somebody that I didn't recognize, and my family didn't recognize me.
He's been clean 26 years, and in that time, drugs on the street have changed.
But the desperation hasn't changed, and the pain hasn't changed.
He's now taking his wisdom to the role of peer recovery coach to show addicts there's hope, there's help, there's people who care.
But I haven't forgot what it was like and where I had to come from.
More than $250,000 in federal funding is helping Virginia Beach launch the program that'll dispatch DeLoach and other coaches directly to emergency rooms after overdoses.
It could be any of us. There's no discrimination in regards to this epidemic.
326 people overdosed in the resort city last year. 72 died. Shelby Giles and Angie Hicks say the coaches will link patients with treatment and counseling services.
Because if they leave with nothing having changed in the middle, they're right back into the same situation.
Opioids killed more than 1,100 people last year statewide. Governor-elect Ralph Northam calls it one of Virginia's biggest challenges.
I will bring people to the table and make sure that we do everything that we can to offer these individuals help.
Encouraging words for those who believe additional resources will save lives.
So hopefully we can help somebody who can help somebody who can help somebody.
And this funding will also cover the cost of peer recovery programs in Portsmouth and Norfolk. In addition, Virginia Beach recently received nearly $1 million for treatment programs, and there's also money available for housing, childcare, and transportation so addicts can get to those treatment programs without any trouble. I'm Joe Fisher, 10 on your side.